Angel, don't worry. Humans entertainment. I don't know what is wrong with snow. It's just for fun. Hello my friends, good fantastic morning my friends. If you watch our vlogs, you know what is this if you watch our vlogs. They just brought it here, but there is a little problem. This is for terrace, you know that thing, but they couldn't take it up. They couldn't because it's too big and there is no space to take it up. Oh my gosh, so we will just relax here in this room. We will open the windows and it will be like, you know, like outside. We have to remove stairs or I don't know. But we got it because it was in sale. Oh, sun is shining here.
It was in sale.
It was in sale.
So clever.
But it's big for our way to go up. What the heck happened outside? Do you see that, my friends? I thought it's already summer.
Summer, spring.
Yes, at least spring. I thought it's already spring and look at it. What just happened? What the heck just happened? And we still have water in the hot tub. Uh-oh. We had the water there during all winter. Maybe ice, not water. I don't know. What the heck is that? I don't understand.
No, don't do it.
What the heck is that?
I have here. Mom, you cannot do it. Stop. You cannot do it. Go.
Domisha, it's just a snow.
No, don't.
Alright, I'm not doing this.
Don't do it.
I'm not doing this.
Just do it.
It's just snow, Domisha. You should be happy. It's like Christmas. Christmas are back. It's just a snow. Do you see? It's not happy, Domisha. It's not happy. You are angry.
Because I have one laptop.
Yeah, my laptop. I paid for it. My laptop. What is this?
Okay, Tom.
Why do you have problem with snow? Snow is outside for fun. Let me show you. Snow is here for humans entertainment.
Okay, so do Angel.
Angel, don't worry. Humans entertainment. I don't know what is wrong with snow. It's just for fun. Normal, easy. Oh.
Turn it.
Off! I will cut it off and I was okay.
Can you see it breaking?
That was fun.
What are you doing? Do you need some help? What do you think?
It's not possible.
But I think that we can try it.
Oh, and there is no way. No way.
Shit.
Mathematic, applied mathematic. Oh, no way. Oh, no way. What we gonna do? Sun is shining. There's sun cream.
God, I have to call somebody.
Oh, here you are.
We have to move from this flat.
We have to move because we cannot place couch upstairs, so we have to move from this one.
No, this is because of this, guys. You know that we are looking for some, you know, another apartment.
But now we couldn't place couch, and you're thinking about it right now. That we need to move.
Because it would be perfect if we will, you know, move until our baby will here. So it will be perfect. So let's check some apartments and find something.
I think it's time. Oh shoot! I think it's time to get rid of. Not get rid of. Open another package because there is still a lot of them. It's time. This one is from Laura. Lara Meyer. Yeah, I think she wrote me that about that package. So here it is. We got it, Laura. Frankie. I think there is baby blanket, baby book, and cape. This is written here. Oh, come on! No way! So Christmas is coming. Good night, Moon. Is naughty one or it's nice one? Yeah, it's nice one. Go jumping.
Look at this.
And there were 3 little birds sitting on chair. Yeah, we got finally some English book, and this one is really nice.
Domisha, baby, Erik, and Frankie. And it's a letter.
Erik.
Hello, Erik and Domisha. If you are reading this, that means you got my package. I found your channel when I searched pregnancy surprise. My husband and I will hopefully try to get pregnant this summer. Oh my gosh, so good luck.
Cross fingers.
Please look at the presents, then read letter.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Letter is just right.
Oh, but look at the presents. I don't know. Yeah, it's for eating. No? Oh, it's Superman.
I can be like Superwoman.
But I don't think so. It's for you. It's for baby.
Superhero.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow.
nice
Wow.
star.
It's maybe blanket for me. I love that touch. Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
you so
And one more
much.
present. Look at that. Some cat is coming here. Thank you so much
He's
for that.
always going to the box.
It is nice to have people like you on the internet spreading love, happiness and positivity. Thank you so much, and it is very nice to have people like you spreading love, happiness and positivity back to us, and we are spreading it back to you, and we are just here.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's just awesome. Thank you, Laura. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, what is here? It's just snow. What? Oh, look at that angel. Hey, where you going? Come here. Look, my friends, this is the angel I made today. It really looks like angel. Look at that. Did you see that? Come. Look at that. It really looks like angel. Come look at that. Domisha, I got one more present. Domisha, we will open one more. I got one package here. Domisha, come on.
I saw you.
Come on.
I can see you from the blanket.
It was already snowing here on our terrace here. Thank you so much for watching today. We will rip it up, go, and we will rest on our new terrace there. Don't forget to be happy, and choose. Go.